So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in language settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you're going to click on add a language. Now you just want to type in Arabic and you want to choose the one you want. Algerian, Egyptian, etc. So you just want to scroll down and then choose what you want. Now once you've made your selection, you want to click on next. Make sure that your preferred language is correct. And if you want, you could also set this language as your main Windows display language. It's up to you. So you can take this if you want to as well. And then once you've selected all your options, you want to click on install. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. Now once our language has been installed, it should now appear right here in this list. You want to make sure that your new language is at the very top. So you want to click on the three dots and then click on move up. Make sure that you have your language at the very top, which will now make it your preferred language. And if you haven't already and you would like to, you can set your language as a Windows display language. So if you want to do that, you want to click on the drop down and then select your Arabic language. Now to add the Arabic keyboard, we're going to click on the three dots and then click on language options. Now we're going to scroll down to where it says keyboards. It's going to be saying installed keyboards and your language should be installed right here. If it's not, you want to click on add a keyboard and you want to find your language. Then you can just add it. That's how you do it.